Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This video is another part of the playlist Hazrat Fatima alayhi salam. If you want to watch the other videos, you can go and check out the playlist Hazrat Fatima alayhi salam. This video is about the very famous Hadith Kisa. So let's get started. Hadith Kisa is a well known throughout the world. It is recited on every Thursday night. It is reported from Hazrat Fatima alayhi salam, Khatun Jannat alayhi salam herself. She said that one day the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam came to her house and said salams to her, then told her to cover him with the jamni blanket as he was feeling very weak. She returned his greeting and covered him with the jamni blanket. His face shone like the full moon. After a while, her son Hassan alayhi salam came, said salams, and then said he could smell the fragrance of his grandfather. She returned his salam. Then he went to his grandfather, asked his permission, and entered the blanket. A little later, her son Imam Hussain alayhi salam came in, greeted her, said salam, and said he could smell the fragrance of his grandfather. She returned his salam and then told him that the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam was under the blanket with Imam Hassan alayhi salam. Then Imam Hussain alayhi salam went near, asked if he could come under the blanket and joined them. Then Imam Ali alayhi salam arrived, said salams to Hazrat Fatima alayhi salam, and noted he could smell the fragrance of his brother, the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Hazrat Fatima alayhi salam returned his greeting and told him that her father was under the blanket with their sons. Imam Ali alayhi salam went to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, greeted him, and asked if he could join, then entered the blanket. Now Hazrat Fatima alayhi salam herself asked the permission of her father and entered the blanket. When they were all together under the blanket, the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam raised his hands and prayed, "O Allah, these are the people of my household, the Ahle Bayt. They are of my flesh and blood. Whoever makes them unhappy makes me unhappy. They are from me and I am from them. Send your blessings and mercy on me and them. Repel all the blemishes from them and keep them pure as pure." Allah then spoke to his angels and said he had created the whole of the universe for the love of the five who were under the blanket. When the angel Jibril asked who were under the blanket, Allah replied, "They are the household of the messenger, the mine of the prophethood. They are namely Fatima, her father, her husband, and her sons." Jibril was sent by Allah to the house of Hazrat Fatima alayhi salam, and after getting the permission of the Prophet, he entered the blanket, told them what Allah had said, then recited the Ayat-e-Tathir sent by Allah in the praise of the Ahle Bayt. إنما يريد الله ليذهب عنكم رجس أهل البيت ويطهركم تطهيرا. Surah Ahzab. Hadith Kisa brings many benefits. Sins will be forgiven, problems solved, and wishes granted, inshallah. The Hadith Kisa shows that Hazrat Fatima alayhi salam is the link between the Prophet and the Imams. She is the center of the purity and the Panchtane Pak alayhi salam. We must recite this Hadith Kisa at least once a week.